Throughout history, transformative shifts have been powered by new systems, from steam and electricity to the internet and cloud. We now enter Economy 4.0, a world where software is no longer just a tool. It's the operating system of business, growth, and human progress. AI-powered software is reweaving how we bank, heal, shop, and learn, threading innovation into every corner of our lives. And yet, while the demands for software are soaring, the way we build it has been stuck in the past. That's why the moment calls for bold reinvention. This is where we come in. Ascendion is using software to build software. Using our Agentic AI platform for engineering, we're building a world where humans and AI agents coexist and co-create. A complete workflow of intelligent agents, enhancing humans as we weave software faster and better. Where human ingenuity is scaled by AI, creativity is accelerated by intelligent code, and teams are empowered to move faster with less friction. We call our method engineering to the power of AI. We're turning our clients' bold ideas into real outcomes. Across industries, we've helped clients reduce cycle times from months to weeks and increase deployment velocity by up to 3x, leading to significant revenue acceleration. These are not pilots, they're production-grade solutions. Thread by thread, sprint by sprint, agent by agent, we're helping our clients build the new fabric of work, value, and human potential, faster and better. Welcome to the reimagined future of software. Welcome to Economy 4.0.
Axos' claim to fame is that we were one of the first fully digital banks in the country.
CareSource is a company that provides managed healthcare. The difference is CareSource provides healthcare with a heart.
WellSky is one of the larger and most innovative healthcare technology company in the country.
Our bank's tagline is banking evolved, and the evolution of technology and software is at the core of it. So we deliver banking services through software by customizing it to the needs of our customers.
Software is one of the key elements of making WellSky successful. Obviously, there's a lot of needs to take care of patients. There is a lot of people interaction that is all enabled through software, through data exchange and subscriptions of information flowing from one care setting to the other. Software is a big, important part of how do we make that happen.
Software is very crucial in healthcare. So right from the time that you get a member enrolled, right, it's a file that has to get processed through software. It's either all file processing or API calls, microservices. So if those don't happen in time, the member doesn't get authorization to get the surgery or procedure done in time. These could be life-threatening.
There are tools that are available to us now that even 6 months ago were not there. By the end of the calendar year here, 90% of the code will be generated by a machine. By the end of next year, almost 100%. And do a lot of the work that you need to do with natural language. We are going to see a really kind of big transformation of electronic medical record systems. We take care of people. At the end of the day, we do all of this so that patients get better. That's the main mission.
The thought process, again, with any managed healthcare organization is how do we improve healthcare proactively so that you can reduce the hospital visits. At the end of the day, you want to reduce healthcare costs. Today, people sit and they actually code, right? You're taking days to complete something. I'm saying, why can't it be done in hours and then eventually minutes? Creation of software can also be done a lot through Agentic AI. There's continued needs for things to get done. Technology will help us get it done faster and better.
10 years ago, 20 years ago, software existed, but you could not personalize, not just to individuals, but to companies. With the speed of development through AI, we're able to personalize that banking experience. I think we're going to be able to think ahead and give them solutions that they didn't even know they needed.
We have deployed just recently workflow automation using Gen AI capabilities, and we see improvement in those part of the workflows by 60 to 70%, where a nurse doesn't need to spend 20 minutes or 30 minutes, can spend only 5 or 6 minutes now. We see tremendous amount of efficiency, speed being gained, productivity, allowing us to deliver more capabilities to market faster, at the same time getting increased quality. It's about what part of the job can we automate, what part of the mundane can we remove.
You are able to really focus on the person than all the other noise around, and you don't have to sit and type in all the notes. They could just focus on the member and have the notes taken automatically. That is the beauty of the possibility. If companies don't use AI, they're going to be left behind. If you look several years ago, everything took a lot of time to create, to build, to take it to production, to actually see it operationalize. It's become fast, but it's not fast enough. There's still more opportunities. I think with AI coming into the mix, you're going to help speed up stuff. An amount of delays we have in getting things out will be reduced.
When I hear AI, I think of two words: speed and efficiency. AI should be able to supplement and augment everything we do. It will allow for customization in the financial services. So money movement, banking services there's a necessity component to it. But what AI will do is personalize everyone's individual needs. We can listen to how they want to bank with us rather than us telling them, here's our platform, live with it.
Ascendion.
Ascendion. As we look at the evolution of technology, the upcoming of AI, I'm looking for partners that are leading the way also in terms of Gen AI. And Ascendion is one of those companies that basically is being an AI first company. We got to understand what your vision was around AI, about agents, about how it could change the way we are modernizing technology. It was a really good alignment for us to work together at that point.
The minute we automated testing there, our throughput almost doubled. We were able to eliminate 60% of time spent on test design. So that's what I'm looking for and very excited for. I just see the partnership for us translates to tangible metrics, readmission rates going down like drastically. We have different areas, testing one of them, but even in the software development, how do I, using Agentic AI, how can I build software faster, quicker to serve the needs of my customers? Ascendion became more like a trusted vendor partner to have.
Ascendion has been a great partner for us, remaining very communicative, but also very flexible and agile as we go through the build together. We have numerous softwares that service different components of our client base, and one is an accounting software that Ascendion is helping to build, and it is a very complex system. We were on the same page with Ascendion is we're not trying to build for today, we're building for tomorrow.
You've just seen and heard from our clients on what's possible. AI-powered software is no longer a far-off vision. It's here, threading code, data, and human creativity into a resilient, intelligent fabric that is reshaping industries and ushering in the era of Economy 4.0. At Ascendion, we see this as a moment of true technology democratization. It's not just about accelerating delivery. It's about reducing the cost of innovation, amplifying human talent, and enabling transformation at scale. The old ways of working are done. From Agile to SaaS, they're all reaching their limits. The future belongs to software that's resilient, self-healing, and frictionless. With our agentic engineering approach, we are helping organizations build stronger digital foundations while freeing up their people to focus on imagination, problem solving, and impact. But at the heart of it all, this isn't just about code. It's about potential. Yours, ours, everyone's. We are not just building better software. We are rethreading the operating system of the global economy, making it stronger, more inclusive, and ready for what's next. So join us. Let's electrify the future together. Because while anyone can envision the future, not everyone can weave it into reality.